Connected.
Welcome to CUBIT. Today, we're excited to introduce our latest project, crafting an impressive mini Bluetooth speaker. This endeavor requires a set of crucial components. Starting with a meticulously designed 3D printed case for structural integrity and aesthetics, we incorporate a powerful 2-inch, 3-watt speaker as the core of our audio experience. Driving this setup is the PM8403 amplifier circuit, ensuring clear and precise sound delivery. The TP4056 Type-C charging module keeps the speaker always ready, while the Bluetooth module adds wireless connectivity for a seamless experience. We integrate an 18650 battery holder for reliable power and a switch for user-friendly control. Let's establish a connection based on this circuit diagram. Put all the components in the case. Let's insert the 18650 lithium-ion battery. Connect the Bluetooth.
Connected.